Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you withdrawal proof of the mining website I shared with you in the past videos, and this is the mining website, and right now I share with you again from this mining website. Okay, this is the mining website link available in description. You can see I earned this much Dogecoin from this mining website. And right now I go to the withdrawal to show you the withdrawal. Okay, just I put Dogecoin, I put the amount of withdrawal, 100 I put. Okay, I have 103, and you can see last time I withdraw my amount into my wallet, or as I receive it, and just I click submit to withdraw. This will be taking some times, maybe 10 minutes, maybe more than 10 minutes this will be take. And this website pay me under percent because I receive one time from this website, and it's under percent this website pay me. Okay, and I will be wait for to this website send me my amount and I start the video again. Okay guys, now you can see I receive my Dogecoin to my wallet address. You can see approve it. After maybe 2 hour, 1 hour or 2 hour, I receive my amount. I go to my Trust wallet. This is the transaction. You can see I receive the amount after 50 confirmation. And that's it. This website is 100% free, 100% light website. You can invest your amount and you can easily earn from this website with the mining. This is 100% based website. You can use it for the all time. You can see 100 Dogecoin received. Thanks for watching guys, and this is the one of the best website for mining and the save website, and you can see I receive my amount to my Trust wallet, and that's the 100% real website. And the last time I received this much Doge, and I invest this much Doge. One time I received this much Doge, then I received this much Doge. That's great. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.